Good morning, guys. I'm working on the Chrysler 200 today. Customer steady, misfire on cylinder 1. We checked the ignition coils. We checked the fuel injectors. Then I had to, like you guys seen, misfire on cylinder 1. Change the ignition coil, spark plugs, injectors. Everything been tested fine. ACM been tested. The voltage been supplied correctly to it. The only thing I can see wrong is those rock rounds never move, and that sounds what the issue is. And you got the lifters too, might as well just toss them on there. It's on cylinder 1, so change this rock around and this rock around and those two lifters here. I'll keep you guys updated on it.